everybody, I'm Andrea Bouget from Aromahead Institute, and I want to show you my favorite spray for reducing mold. And you know, living in a warm climate like I do, it's always a risk that there's going to be mold in the shower, in the bathroom, and so I have a spray that I make. And I actually put the recipe in my book, The Heart of Aromatherapy. And it is, Mold is Not Invited is the name of it. And I make this spray, I leave it in my shower, and then I'll just spritz around the shower, you know, while I'm in it, and wipe stuff down and use it for cleaning in the bathroom. And sometimes I use it in the kitchen too. It's a great blend. So it's got 2 hydrosols and 2 essential oils. Just in case you're not familiar with hydrosols, whenever you distill a plant, you get 2 resulting products. You get a hydrosol, which is the water part of the distillation, and you get the essential oil. The hydrosols are beautiful. I love using them. So in these 2 beakers, I have Tea Tree Hydrosol and Peppermint Hydrosol. And I actually put the essential oil right in front of them so I would know which is which. But it's okay because you put half and half into your 2-ounce spray bottle. So I have a nice frosted glass 2-ounce 60 ml spray bottle. And I'm going to put 1 ounce of the Tea Tree Hydrosol, and I'm really not going to measure it. I'm just going to put half of the bottle because it's not essential that it's exact. So half is the Tea Tree Hydrosol, which is very fresh and medicinal, and the other half is the Peppermint Hydrosol, and these are fantastic for cleaning. And that is a great combination. The Peppermint Hydrosol smells just like peppermint. It's bright, it's refreshing, it's uplifting. And then I'm going to put 4 drops each of tea tree and peppermint, both fantastic cleaning oils when it comes to mold and cleaning in general. So you could use this spray for things other than mold. So the tea tree is just that wildly medicinal, fresh, vibrant aroma, and we'll put 4 drops in. And there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to get 4 drops of peppermint. I love making my own cleaning products. This is something that completely changed my life so many years ago when I learned how to make my own products, and really encourage you to check it out. I have a whole section in the book on making natural cleaning products, and it's a game changer. It really is. You can affect so many wonderful things when you clean with natural products. You can trying to talk and count at the same time. You can reduce allergies that you might be having in reaction to the chemical cleaners you're using. You can reduce skin problems. It can be really supportive for children in the house to not use all the chemicals, but instead to use your own natural cleaning products. So, highly recommend it. Okay, it's that simple. It takes 2 seconds to make, and then you can use it. I would replace it. I make any water-based products fresh every couple weeks. So I'm making it in a small bottle because I'll use it and then make it fresh every week or 2. And then it's just so simple. I mean, you're just taking a cloth and you're spraying in the shower, but here we are in the kitchen, so you're spraying on the counter and just wiping it down, and it smells amazing. It works really well. I think you're gonna love it. If you want to add a little extra dose of something, you could put maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar in here as well, and that will also help. All right, enjoy your cleaning. See you soon.